Yeah, my favorite. Colombian. Whoa. Okay, have a seat.
We're having a seat. Open your card.
A picture?
Yeah.
Okay. And then I have to talk to you. Have you talked to your brother?
No, not yet.
Well, are you guys going to stay down there overnight?
No.
No, we're coming home.
I would love to go with you. I really would.
Read your card.
I don't know if that's the reaction we wanted.
That's not the reaction you wanted?
Did you read?
I hope you enjoy this year's gift from us. Happy Mother's Day. Now,